Community Post, Channel Update number 33. Well, a very good afternoon to you. It is Monday the 12th of June 2023. It's a special day, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Can't tell you his age.
It's my birthday.
This is just a very short update to remind you that coming up on the 24th of June 2023, the video that I've recorded is of Steve's music, and there's a little special survey to do on top of looking at the video. So that will be on Saturday the 24th of June 2023 at 8 AM. So see you then.
Bye.